everybody. It's been a hot minute, I should say. A bit more than a hot minute. I have not had time to film in ages. Which is why I thought today I would do a daily vlog, because I have been wanting to upload to YouTube for so long, but I do not have time to do a sit down video. I'm going to talk later. I'm actually just going to make breakfast now because I have a doctor's appointment at 11. It's currently 10:30. I need to leave in like 10 minutes. I'm hungry. I need food. So let's make some breakfast. Oh, I was going to have like a really cute, like doing a sable or something this morning. But do you know what? I woke up at 10. I don't really have time. It's just gonna be plain old cereal. So, but oh well, life goes on. You live and you learn. Maybe I'll have one for lunch. Okay, so today I'm having just. I'm sorry. I think I'm overtired. Side note: does anyone else who has just right cereal sit there and pick out all of the sultanas? Because same. My mom has just right and she says it's the best part of the cereal, but I have a thing for sultanas, man. I better speed this up because we've got a lot to fit in today, folks. What's the date? What's the date? What's the date? What's the date? Can I have this milk? Yes, I can. Amazing. Turn that down because it's a bit loud. Okay, folks, so I have been to the doctors. Tick. I also went to say gosh, this is good. I also went to say hello to my grandparents because they live just around the corner, and oh my gosh, it's so nice seeing your grandparents. They're always so happy to see you. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. So I'm currently in the car. I am driving to, what am I doing? I'm driving to Freedom because I ordered a bedside table back in December actually. I ordered one just after Christmas and they said it would take 6 to 8 weeks. It has been like 12 weeks. I'm not happy, but I just really want it. So I'm gonna go and pick that up. And okay, I have this kind of like this makeup idea that I want to do. So I want to go to Lincraft or like Spotlight or something to see if I can get the things I need to make that look. So I'm just going to go down Penrith Way for a little while and see if I can get everything I need. Anyway, let's go for a drive. Okay, I have got the bedside table. Let me just get it on my camera. Proving to be more difficult than I thought. All I want is like little butterflies, but I can't find any. Alright folks, I am back home. I've just done a quick little clean up of the kitchen because I'm thinking of actually making some chocolate chip cookies in a minute, but I just thought I'd quickly show you what I got now. So I actually had an idea this morning for like a makeup look. My friend sent me a picture and I was like, oh, I could make that into a anyway, I might include it like here if I remember to put it in, but I probably won't remember, so I'm sorry. But yeah, basically I thought I'd do this like purple kind of lilac makeup look and like put butterflies on my face as well and just make it really like mystical. I was like, what an idea. Anyway, I was gonna go to Lincraft, but it looks like Lincraft has closed down. But there was another craft shop in replace of it. So I went and was having a look around for like some butterflies and things. Couldn't really find the butterflies I was looking for. But what I did find was like some little flowers and things. So I thought I could like attach these onto my face, and maybe I also bought some like plain black headbands to see if I can make like a headpiece out of it as well. And then I did find these butterflies, which I thought would look kind of cool. They are broken, there was a last pack, so I'm hoping I can work with that somehow. And then I just got some like staples. Like I've always wanted white face paint. They had some body glitters as well, face and body glitters. So I got like a bluish one and a purple one. And then the last thing I got was these like, what are they called? Like silver flakes. So I think I might just see if, I don't know why I got them, but we'll see what I can do. So I just got home. It is already 3:30. I've got the gym at 5:30 till 6:30. So I'm thinking right now I might just bake some cookies because I really feel like chocolate chip cookies, and watch some Grey's Anatomy and just chill out. And then I'll go to the gym, come home, and then hopefully I'll have enough time to attempt what I have in my head, but we will see. So I am gonna see if I have ingredients for cookies. 1 second. All right, it's a miracle. I actually have everything for cookies. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. And put that there. We'll chat in a minute. So yum. Okay, time to make them into little cookie sizes. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. Yes, I have already eaten one. Okay, I'm probably gonna eat another chocolate chip cookie, sit down on the lounge, watch another episode of Grey's Anatomy, and then go to the gym. See you in a min. Okay, so it is almost 5 o'clock. I don't actually know what I'm wearing. I never wear this to gym. Normally I wear leggings and a crop, but I'm going for a different look today. All right. Hi, Mixie. Hello. I am about to head to the gym. I need my bag. Got that. This. Might take my AirPods just in case. Go outside. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I have everything. Yes. Okay, where's my car? Here it is. Would help if I unlocked the car. I am a mess. Boy, I need another 10 days off just to organize my life again. Yeah, I'm on my way to the gym. I'm trying to not have pre-workout anymore because, I mean, not that I've had it much, but I'm not sleeping very well lately, so I'm wondering whether that is keeping me up. So I've got a banana with me because I'm so stupid. Like, I ate those chocolate chip cookies, now I feel sick, so I'm like, maybe if I have a banana, that'll weigh out all of my bad decisions. It doesn't really work like that, does it? Anyway, I probably won't film it at the gym because I like to do classes and I don't think people would appreciate being filmed. Oh, you're turning. Okay, doll. Okay, doll. I hope no one hears this song. Oh, let's go. I'm having a Kesha moment lately. Who remembers this song? Wait for it.
Hot and dangerous.
I hope no one's looking at me at these times. Hi guys. Probably looks like I didn't even change positions, but I have been to the gym. I went to do a class and normally go, like it's normally an hour class, but I left 40 minutes in just because I don't feel like being there. I was like, I started the class and I was feeling really good, and then I was like, I think my anxiety is just like bad because I feel like I have so much on my plate at the moment and not enough time to do everything. And I think because I still want to film a makeup video tonight, I'm kind of stressing about like getting all that in, and then just being able to chill a bit because I've just been on the go. Like last week I did 12 days straight working, and then had a festival with my friends, and then was straight back to work. So I just feel like I haven't had a break, which is so stupid to be like I'm complaining, but honestly I was at the gym and I just could not focus. So I was like, I'm just gonna leave. I'm a little disappointed that I had to leave early, but I just hope that having the extra time at home might be a little bit better. I might even end this vlog here. Sorry to end it on like a bit of a downer. I mean, it's not really a downer. I just think I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed at the moment and need some time to get some things done. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog regardless. Anyway, I hope you're having a lovely day or night or evening or whatever, wherever you are in the world. And hopefully I'll see you very shortly for my next video. Bye!